Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a new trendy video with the white glowing hand reaching you from the white monitor in the dark. So basically it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So it is very easy. First of all, you will need to take two videos. First video of your hand in the white background reaching something, and the second video of you sitting in the dark space in front of your white monitor. The video should be horizontal. So basically these two videos that we'll need. Now the second step is you need to open the CapCut on your phone and click on the new video. Here we will need to select the video where we are sitting in the dark space, and if you want you can trim it. I will trim it like that, so I will select the best frames and click on the tick button in the bottom right corner, then click on the add. And once we added our video to the timeline, now we can add our video with our hand. To do this, all we have to do is to simply click on the overlay in the bottom side of the screen and click on add overlay once again. Here we will choose our video with our hand and click on the add button. Now we will need to delete the background from our video. To do this, we need to scroll to the left until we will find remove the background, and if you have the CapCut Premium you can go with auto removal, but I don't have a CapCut Premium, so I'll choose custom removal here. So now I will just expand a little and brush my hand like that, and as you can see some fingers are not brushed too much, so I will just simply decrease the size and brush some of my fingers like that, and basically it is enough. And then I'll need to click on the tick button in the bottom right corner, and as you can see our hand, the background is removed, not perfectly, but you can do it more precisely. So now we will need to resize our hand so it will perfectly fit the display. So we will need to place it like that, and that's it. Now the second step is we need to go back, and here we need to scroll the settings of our video and find the adjust button. So somewhere right here, adjust, and click on the adjust. Now we need to go and find graphs. So graphs should be like here, right here, and here we will need to move the top right corner to the left, to the top left corner, and basically that is it. That is how we will make our hand white, and then click on the tick button. So now we will need to add some glowing effects. So select the video with your hand and find effects, click on the effects and go to the video effects. Here we will need to find the glow. So basically every single glow will be perfect, but as you can see there are some premium glows, so we will need to find some free glowing effects. So for example I will go with this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. So basically it doesn't matter what glow you will choose. Maybe you have premium and you can choose the best glow too, but basically this is this is on your decision. It's just basically your decision. So I will go with this glow. Then when the glow is selected, we can go back, and to polish everything up we can go back and choose here filters and add some filters to our video. So for example it can be some black and white or some other filter that is free. So for example that or any other filter that you would like to see here that will make our video better. And basically that is it. Here is the video that we got. You can make it better, you can make it more precise, you can adjust better, remove the background better, etc. I did it very quickly. So basically that is it. That is how you can make this video. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.